Hi everyone, this is Kiran sir. In the last class, we have completed the concept of standard results of the binomial coefficients. What are the standard results for the binomial coefficients? There are some standard results for the binomial coefficients like this. The first one is formula of NCR. It is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. See the second one. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Go to third one. NCR divided by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Come to fourth one. The value of NCR is equal to NCN minus r. Come to last one. If NCR equals to NCS, then R is equals to S, or N is equals to R plus S. So these are the standard results of the binomial coefficients appearing enter in this chapter, binomial theorem. In these all standard results, where always n is a positive integer, because we are in the concept of expansion of x plus a whole power n, where n is a positive integer. So under the concept of a binomial theorem, for positive integer index, that means in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, always where n is a positive integer. In these all standard results, the value of n is a positive integer. Now we are going to see the examples on the concept of standard results of the binomial coefficients given in previous JEE mains exams. The first question is like this. So this question is given in 2016 JEE mains exam. Options are like this. First option is 560, second option 680, third option 1240, fourth option 1085. See the given problem. The value of sigma r equals to 1 to 15, r square into 15 cr divided by 15 cr minus 1. Now we are finding the value of given summation. First of all, take the given problem. Let sigma r is equals to 1 to 15 r square into 15 cr divided by 15 cr minus 1. So this is the given question. That implies sigma r is equals to 1 to 15 r square into. Now write the formula of this bracket. Now write the formula of this bracket. The given bracket is in the form of NCR divided by NCR minus 1. What is the standard result of NCR by NCR minus 1? Subtracting the values of n and r minus 1. That means n minus r plus 1 by, write the value of r in the numerator, it is equals to r. So this is the standard result of NCR divided by NCR minus 1. Now we are applying this standard formula or standard result to the given bracket. See this one. Now 15 minus r plus 1. 15 minus r, minus into minus means plus 1. That means 16 minus r divided by r. So this is the value of given bracket. Now see the continuation. Sigma r is equals to 1 to 15, where r and square both are cancelled. Remaining one is like this. R into 16 minus r. That implies sigma r is equals to 1 to 15. By multiplying these two terms, r into 16, 16r, r into r square. See the continuation. That implies, now split the sigma notation to both terms. Split the sigma notation to both terms, where 16 is multiple. 16 into sigma r is equals to 1 to 15, r minus sigma r is equals to 1 to 15 r square. Split the sigma notation to both terms, where 16 is multiple. 16 into sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r minus sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r square. See this one. That implies 16 into, there is a standard formula for this sigma notation. At the same time, there is another standard formula for the second sigma notation also. See this one. In the lower classes, come to the chapter progressions. The formula is like this. Sigma r is equals to 1 to n, r is equals to, sigma r equals to 1 to n, r equals to. Now write the values of r from 1 to n. First of all, substitute in place of r is 1, 1 plus, next 2 plus, next 3 plus, and so on. Final value of r is n. That means the given summation is like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and so on n. The formula for sum of first n terms, sum of first n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now observe the given summation. It is sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r అని ఇచ్చాడు. Sigma r equals to 1 to 15. The final value of r is ఏంటంటే 15. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and so on. Last term is 15. Now the formula is like this. N into, n means 15. 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2. So this is the formula for first sigma notation. That means sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r. Now write the formula, where 15 into 15 plus 1 divided by 2 minus, come to second one. See this one. There is another standard formula in the chapter progressions. It is like this. Sigma r is equals to 1 to n, r square is equals to, sigma r equals to 1 to n r square. Now write the values of r from 1 to n. First of all, r is 1 square, next 2 square, next 3 square, plus, and so on. Finally the value of r is n. That means ఏంటంటే n square. What is the formula of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus, and so on, n square? It is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. But in the given sigma notation, the value of n is 15. The value of n is 15. That means sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r square. Now the expansion is like this. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus, and so on, 15 square. Now write in place of n is 15. 15 into 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15 plus 1 divided by 6. So this is the formula of sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r square. See this one. Now write the formula. N into 15 into n plus 1, 15 plus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2 into 15 plus 1 divided by 6. So these are the standard formula for sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r, sigma r equals to 1 to 15 r square. By simplifying these two terms, 16 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2, minus 15 into 15 plus 1, 16, 2 15s 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 6. See this one. Now 2 in 16, 8 times, 8 into 15 into 16 minus, see this one, 3 2s, 3 5s, again next 2 in 16 8 times, 5 into 8 into 31, if that implies 8 15s 120, 120 into 16 1920 minus 5 8s 40, 40 into 31 1240, that equals to 1920 minus 1240 means 680. So this is the final value of given summation. That means the value of sigma r equals to 1 to 15. R square into 15 cr by 15 cr minus 1 is equal to 680. So this is the process for finding the value of a given problem by using the standard result of binomial coefficients. That means NCR divided by NCR minus 1 equals to N minus R plus 1 by R. So this question is given in 2016 JEE Mains exam. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం మనకి నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చూద్దాం. ఈ క్లాస్ ఇక్కడితో స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.